Okay, question number 11. Premises of mercantile traders caught fire on 1st July 2015. Obviously, date is important because as per the date of fire, we have to decide whether we have to make a memorandum trading account or a trading account. Correct. The stock was fully insured. Good. The concern has made accounts up to 31st December of each year. So the following information is available. Stock on 31st 12 2014, मतलब पूरे साल का स्टॉक होगा वो 2014, एंड स्टॉक ऑन 31st 12 2013. तो 2013 इज ओपनिंग स्टॉक एंड 2014 इज क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. तो फुल एक ईयर कंप्लीट होता है, राइट, 12 मंथ्स का. तो इससे क्या बनेगा? ऑब्वियसली ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट बनेगा. करेक्ट. सो ओपनिंग स्टॉक विल बी ट्रेडिंग डेबिट, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक विल बी ट्रेडिंग क्रेडिट. Purchases from 1st April 2015 up to date of fire. Up to date of fire मतलब 1st July 2015. So start from Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. 6 months का है, तो it is a period of less than 12 months. तो this will go under memorandum trading account debit side. Okay. Purchases up to 31st 12 2014. आपका beginning क्या है? 2013. First 2013. 31st 12 2013 मतलब 1st January 2014 इज योर ओपनिंग. सो ये भी पूरा साल का हो गया, 12 मंथ्स का हो गया. तो ये भी ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डेबिट साइड में जाएगा. ओके. डोंट फॉरगेट डेट्स हियर. इम्पोर्टेंट इज डेट्स. ठीक है. या दिस इंडिकेट्स व्हाट? 1st January 2014 to 31st 12 2014. 12 months का हुआ ना. So it will go to trading. Same applies for sales. Same. First 2014 to 31st 12 2014. Okay. Then sales from first 2015 up to date of fire. Same. ये purchase जैसा same. Okay. 7 months, 6 months का. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. Okay. Period of less than 12 months, it will go to memorandum trading account credit side. Okay. Then further information says that May 2015 May, uh, goods costing rupees 10,000 were given away for advertisement. Okay. No entry was made in the books, so we will record it. Simple as that. So memorandum trading account credit side. Okay. Yeah. You can even show it under purchases में से लेस कर सकते हो. एक ही बात है, या तो परचेजेस से लेस कर लो या तुम ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में अलग से दिखा दो एज गुड्स गॉन. ओके. या 2015 again, clerk had misappropriated unrecorded cash sales of rupees 4,000. Okay, so this is unrecorded sales. Okay, कैश सेल्स हुआ था जिसको आपने रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया, अब हम रिकॉर्ड कर लेंगे. ठीक है. एड इट टू सेल्स, मेमोरेंडम ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड. Then the rate of gross profit is constant over the years. Okay, that we will see, we'll check when we will calculate for the trading year. Value of stock salvage was 13,000 and the expenses incurred to extinguish fire was rupees 800. Okay, this all we will take into consideration when we are calculating the statement of loss. From the above information, prepare a statement showing the claim for loss of stock. Okay, is the question clear to everyone? Question समझ में आ रहा है? Question समझा सबको? Okay, fine, great. Okay, so let us start. Trading account, we will first make a trading account and then we will make a memorandum trading account. Okay, so let us start. Okay, start. Okay, give the heading. Yeah. Trading account. Okay, please mention the date. Yeah, 1st January 2014 to 31st December 2014. Date is very important in this chapter. Okay, let us start placing the values. Opening stock 96 140. So right here to opening stock 96 140. Then closing stock trading credit by closing stock. How much? 1,32,720. 1,32,720. Next is what? Purchases 4,50,000 to 580. Okay, next purchases 4,50,000 to 580. Next, sales 5,20,000. Sales 5,20,000. Okay. Anything else is left? No, we have considered everything for trading account. No other information is given. Okay, so now, yeah, balance it. Ledger balance karo. Okay, 5,20,000 plus 1,32,720. So it is 6,50,000 to 720. 6,50,000 to 720. 6,50,000 to 720. Okay, very good Bhumi, very good Diksha. Subtract it. 96,140. 4,50,000 So 1,04,000 is my profit. I mean gross profit. To gross profit. Yeah. Okay. Box it. It's your final answer. Yeah. Okay. Next हम क्या निकालेंगे? Gross profit percentage, because that is what we need for the memorandum trading account. ठीक है. So next working note लिख लो. Working note number 1. Gross profit percentage. What is the formula? GP, gross profit upon net sales into 100. Okay. So how much is your GP? 1,04,000. How much is your net sales? 5,20,000 into 100. Okay. So 1,04,000 divided by 5,20,000 into 100. So 20% आया मेरा answer. So my GP is 20%. Okay. So what will I assume? The same GP is applicable for the next year, that is memorandum trading account. Yeah, very good Khushi, very good Bhumi. Okay. So yeah, GP is 20%, and right here, same GP percentage will be applicable for memorandum trading account, that is next year, for memorandum trading account. This is the assumption, correct? Yeah. Right now we follow the trend. हो गया? This is done. Next, what we will make? Memorandum trading account. ठीक है? So make next memorandum trading account. Okay, wait on. Memorandum trading account. Mention the time period. 1st 2015 to 1st July 2015. Stock that is the date of fire. ठीक है? अब एक चीज मत भूलना, ये जो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक है ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट का, ये this will become opening stock for memorandum trading account 1,32,720. Okay, so write it down here to opening stock. Okay, so these minute details you should remember. 1,32,720 हो गया. Next, purchases. Purchases कितना है? How much are purchases? 4,50,000 to 580. No. Purchases memorandum का ना 3,48,270. Okay, 3,48,270. 3,48,270. Okay. Next is sales. Sales is 4,91,700. So write here by sales 4,91,700. It is having an adjustment. Okay, वो add कर लो. Yeah, add unrecorded sales, unrecorded cash sales है वो भी, unrecorded cash sales of 4,000. Okay, yeah, take it in the outer column. 4,95,700. 4,95,700. Okay, yeah, very good Diksha. Sales हो गया. Then advertisement. Yeah, buy goods given as free samples. Okay, how much? 10,000 का. ठीक है? Okay, what was I telling you कि ये 10,000 आप यहाँ से भी डिडक्ट कर सकते हो, चलेगा, एक ही बात है. समझ में आया? दीक्षा Ma'am, I have deducted from purchase. Yeah, Diksha, it will be fine. Final answer will not change. Okay, don't worry. You can deduct it from purchases also. You can show it separately in memorandum trading account credit side also. Okay, chalega. Next, calculate gross profit. Okay, working note number one will be applicable here. ठीक है, calculate करो. How much is your net sales? 4,95,700 का 20% कैलकुलेट करो. ओके, 4,95,700 20%. 99,140 noted down here. 99,140. Close this ledger. Yeah, yeah, very good, Khushi. Kunal, very good. Plus 3,48,270 plus 1,32,720. 5,80,130. 5,80,130 minus the credit side. 4,95,700 minus 10,000. 74,430. Okay. Yeah, very good, students. 74. I mean, yeah, 74,430. ठीक है, तो यहाँ लिख लो 74,430. That's your final answer. 74,430 by stock on date of fire. Stock on date of fire. Okay, your final answer. Okay, ठीक है. In every sum, these two aspects will be there, no, students? Yeah, it will be there. It has to be there because without these two things, calculating claim is incomplete. Okay. Yeah. So now this is done. इसके बाद what do we do? Yeah, we calculate our statement. Yeah, actual loss or फिर we calculate our claim. Okay. So actually इसके बाद step 1, step 2 start होता है. कभी कभी like in the initial sums मैंने पहले स्टेप 1 स्टेप 2 लिखा और फिर ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट मेमोरेंडम ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट आपको बताया. ऑब्वियसली वो इसलिए बताया सो दैट यू कैन रिलेट कि मेमोरेंडम ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट और ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट कब बनेगा. फॉर दैट रीजन अर्लियर व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू डू सम्स आई यूज्ड टू मेक यू राइट द स्टेप्स फर्स्ट. Okay, अब as and when gradually I've stopped doing that. I first make trading memorandum trading and then I come with the steps. It's one and the same. Final answer is not going to change. Okay, yeah. So now start step 1. Step 1, statement of actual loss. First, stock on date of fire. This we got from memorandum trading account, right? 74,430. less salvage. Salvage is how much? 13,000. 13,000 salvage. Add firefighting expenses. I had explained this logic कि add क्यों होगा. Okay. इससे आपका लॉस और बढ़ जाएगा, राइट? 800. And then what you get is actual loss or loss of stock. $62 to 30 is my loss. Yeah, very good खुशी, very good दीक्षा. ठीक है, ये हो गया. इसके बाद क्या? स्टेप 2 ऑब्वियसली. Okay, step 2, claim. Okay, calculation of claim. Policy value is given in the question. No, policy value is not given in this question. Okay, write like this what I'm writing. Calculation of claim, and then I'll tell you what to write. Yeah. Okay, right now. In this question, policy value is not given. So, average clause is not applicable. ठीक है, मतलब हम वो फॉर्मूला नहीं यूज कर पाएंगे. तो क्या हो गया? बट हम दूसरा कुछ यूज कर सकते हैं ना. Therefore, claim is equal to actual loss is equal to 62 to 30. Okay, so this is your final answer. Is this clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, fine. Great. Okay. So in case when policy value is not given to you, okay, या तुम्हारा जो stock value है और policy value, stock value ज़्यादा है, policy, I mean stock value is less or stock value is more. That time also you don't take this into consideration. Okay. Fine. So this completes this question. Yeah. So actually there are only two steps, but two steps के लिए भी you need to calculate trading and memorandum trading. Okay. Okay. So now we'll move on to something new concept. Okay. Now let us go to this question number 12. Okay. On 12th June 2015, so this is the date of fire. Okay, fire occurred in the premises of N.R. Patel, who was a paper merchant. Most of the stocks were destroyed. Cost of stocks salvaged being 11,200. So this is the salvage amount. In addition to this, इसके अलावा भी some stock was salvaged in a damaged condition and its value in that condition was agreed at 10,500. So there are two salvage stock. दो है 11,200, okay, which was severely damaged, and again there was another stock of 10,500 which was salvaged. Okay, मतलब पूरा नहीं जला था. Yeah, some part could be saved. From the books of accounts, the following particulars were available. Now, what is available? See, his stock at the close of account on 31st December 2014 was 83,500. Okay, 31st December 2014. That means this is closing stock of last year. Okay, this is closing stock. So this will go to trading account credit side. Okay, next, his purchases from 1st 2015 to 12/6/2015. This is a period of less than 12 months. ठीक है, सो ये जाएगा मेमोरेंडम ट्रेडिंग में. ओके, कितना है 1,12,000, तो मेमोरेंडम ट्रेडिंग डेबिट साइड, and his sales during that period was 1,54,000. So sales will go to memorandum trading credit side. Okay. On the basis of his accounts for the past 3 years, it appears that he earns on an average a gross profit of 30% on sales. So this is his GP. Okay. Patel has insured his stock for 60,000. Okay. So this is the policy value. 60,000 is the policy value. Compute the amount of claim. Okay. So this is a very easy question. Now, trading account. Okay. One question to you all is, either trading account banega कि नहीं बनेगा? I want to ask that. Is trading account required to be prepared here in this sum? ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट बनाने की ज़रूरत है इस सम में? Yes or no? Kunal is saying no. Why, Kunal? Yeah, Kunal. Why? No. Okay, not required. I know that, but why? क्यों नहीं बनाना है? Kunal, only memorandum information is given. Absolutely correct. Yeah. और दूसरा चीज, या दैट इज राइट। एंड दिस, ये जो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक है ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट का, ये तो ओपनिंग स्टॉक बन जाएगा ना मेमोरेंडम ट्रेडिंग के लिए। ओके, या वेरी गुड दीक्षा, वेरी गुड कुणाल, या। एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे पास प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज है ना, जीपी लास्ट 3 इयर्स का जीपी परसेंटेज दिया हुआ है 30% ऑन सेल्स। ओके, और पहली बार ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट के लिए कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन ही नहीं है एक्सेप्ट क्लोजिंग स्टॉक, और दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन इज गिवन बिकॉज so that you can take that as opening stock in the next year. Next year is what? Memorandum trading account is your next year. Got it? Clear na? Yeah. So what are you guys gonna do? Yeah, prepare a trading memorandum trading account. Okay. Then you'll write here to opening stock. How much? 83,500. Then you'll write here to purchases. How much? 1,12,000. And here you will write buy sales. How much? 1,54,000. Okay, 1,54,000. Clear? Okay, next, what will you write? That's it. Only this much information is there. Okay? Then you will calculate your GP percentage right here to GP. How much is it? 30% बोला है ना, तो 30% of your sales, that is 1,54,000. ओके, तो कैलकुलेट करो 1,54,000 का 30%, हाउ मच? 46,200. सो राइट हियर 46,200. Okay, then when you close this ledger, yeah, close the ledger. 46,200 plus 83,500 plus 1,12,000, 2,41,700. So 2,41,700 minus the credit side 1,54,000. 87,700. Okay, 87,700. So what is this? This is your stock on date of fire. Okay, stock on date of fire. Clear na? So once you get this, you know what to do, right? Yeah, इसके बाद आप आपका actual loss निकालोगे. Yeah, yeah. Your step 1 you will do, correct? Yeah. Stock on date of fire 87,700. Then your salvage. Okay, salvage maybe you have two things, 11,200 and 10,500. ठीक है, yeah, 11,200 and 10,500. Okay, this will give you actual loss. $66,000. That's it. Okay, your policy value is how much? 60,000. आपका लॉस ज़्यादा है, पॉलिसी वैल्यू कम है. Okay, apply the formula, you will get the answer. Average clause wala. Okay, policy value, yeah, fine. Yeah, very good, Khushi.